Well, hello, my little pond scum. I hope you had a very pleasant weekend. All things said and done, it wasn't bad. I really got in touch with my inner self, but you know, that's the last time I buy cheap toilet paper. Anyway, another story. Let's look at the markets. We have had it went further down, and then we had a little bit of a comeback, and then it's straight back to down again. Like I said, you know, we're going to retrace our steps somewhat. Bitcoin, the big boy, is down 1% at 21.18. BNB is down 1% at 293.48. Ethereum is down 3% at 1.56. Not much really in the top 100 going against the flow. You got Monero up 1 at 153. EOS is really pushing it again with up 3% at 1.49. And crappy old Utilise is up 1%. I guess there must be football fans out there. Right. Cardono's testnet is apparently broken, which caused a huge storm over the weekend. Yeah, it's a testnet. Do you know what I mean? If they're going to have fuck-ups, I want it to be when, you know, on the testnet, not the real deal. It will push the Vasil hard fork back, but my personal feelings are, in that desperate attempt to compete with Ethereum, that they've been pushing that Vasil hard fork far too hard anyway. Crypto.com is continuing to add to its trading front. This time it's shoved on a load of new pairs. I'm not going to list them all. You know, they're just adding new coins and new pairs. Same difference. FTX revenue grew by over 1 billion in 2021. Although they did get a cease and desist for, you know, being dodgy with the advertising. But hey-ho. Bored Apes approaches mass liquidation. You got to ponder whether it will crash all NFTs. I've been very vocal about my thoughts on the whole thing. You know, the current NFT market is a load of bollocks. I wouldn't have bought a picture of a stupid looking fucking ape, especially when there's 1,000 other apes that all look basically exactly the same. To me, that's not art, that's not talent, that's not skill, that's just ripping thickos off for their cash. I'm sure they will continue to make money at some point or another, but you know, there's a part of me that almost hopes that bollocks is going to crash. swyftx or swyftx, it's reduced its staff by 21%. Yeah, that's been the same across the board just lately, so it's all good, I suppose. No, not for that 21% though, is it? Fuck me. FEI stablecoin project packed up its bags and fucked off home. They didn't want to do it anymore. Bluebex, who claimed it was hacked and lost a fuckload, is now backpedaling over that, and it's saying it was a victim of a listing scam instead. I think that's one to watch. I can see that being investigated. Talking of bugs, General Bytes Bitcoin ATM suffered a 0-day bug and fucking lost a whole bunch of different crypto. South Korea has implemented a gift tax on airdrops. I mean, I'm not quite sure how that's going to work. Half the airdrops you get, the coins cease to exist. So what, they're going to charge you tax on something that's worth less than that? I don't know. I really don't know how they're going to do that. But I guess we'll have to watch that and, you know, shit our pants waiting to find out. hodlnaught has settled an 193 million shortfall for their, you know, bankruptcy and liquidation. And Australia is still trying to find different ways that it can regulate officially all the cryptos. They're really pushing hard for altcoin regulation. That's another thing we're just going to have to watch closely. Look, I've said it before and I'll say it again. As much as I fucking detest regulation, I do hand on heart believe that further regulation is going to be the only way that crypto takes that next step and becomes mainstream. So that's it. That's all said and done. I want you to fucking well click that goddamn subscribe button down the bottom there, you wankstains, and also, you know, check out all the other socials and get onto that. But most of all, like, subscribe, you know, do all that bollocks, please. Thank you very much.
All things crypto by a duck life. See you next time.